This is Dave Holdorf with the Taco Training Department, and I want to show you our interactive touchscreen simulation for building a boiler room in a house. So we got a couple things that we can do here. So the first thing I want to pop up here, we're going to show you on how you might want to customize a system. So we'll start our setup, and we have different choices for your boilers or your heat source anyway, whether it's going to be a heat pump or we're looking at some boilers. And you got a couple of options on each one. So I'm going to start off with a boiler, going to choose my condensing gas boiler, and then we're going to ask how the house is heated hydronically. So between radiant floor, baseboard, or radiators. And I'm going to choose radiant floor. And then how are you going to zone it? Because we have multiple zones in the house today, and in the basement, whether you want to do zone valves or zone circulators is your choice. I'm going to choose zone valves. Those that know me know I'm a valve guy. And let's go ahead and design out that system. So it's going to give you the basics, showing you your boiler and your hot water indirect tank. And we've got a couple of bases of components here, but now let's choose how many zones you might want to see in the house. So let's say we're going to choose 3 zones, and you see as it adds more pipes to the system as you would build it. We'll click on next. Well, all right, since I chose zone valves, I need to install my zone valve controller. So we're just going to take this, slide it over, put it in a central location on the wall, go on next. Now as we're building out our hydronic system, we need to get the air out, and we want to make sure that we're pumping away, and we're going to get the air out of the supply side before it feeds out to our heating systems. And we want to add our magnetic dirt separator to help protect that water, keep that water quality going. And now we're going to put in our variable speed circulator because we're using zone valves. And this way it's going to speed up and down as those valves open and close. And now I've got to put those zone valves in the system. And here you're looking at your completed system. So we've got our full hydronic system designed, installed, and all set up and ready to rock and roll.